I got a job. I got money. Ain't nobody cheating on me. Life is good, bitch.
It may not mean nothing to y'all, but understand nothing was done for me, so I don't plan on stopping at all. I want this shit forever, man.
Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. So this is gonna be a quick little tutorial because I finally got me a new flat iron. Y'all know I've been using my grandma mom one for years, and baby, it's been holding on. Remington, yeah, it's been holding on. But I got a new one, so I want to test it out for y'all, and it's called the Faszin who knows, I don't know. So I'm about to open it and then let's get to it. Ooh. It came in this little box or whatever. Hey, yeah, I guess it come with instructions, but how hard is it to flat iron your hair? I don't know. Oh, and it came with some little clips, 2 clips. Y'all see them? Yeah, so it came with 2 of these clips so I can hold my hair up. I got some clips, but those look sturdy for real. Yeah, but that's all that came in the box. Yeah, that's it. And then the flat iron. Oh, this cord is thick, baby, compared to my other cord. You can see it. Can y'all see it? I don't know if y'all could tell, but this cord is thick. Oh, this is cute. How you open this bitch? How you open it? Hold on, let's figure out how to open it. Oh, right here. Okay, so when you close it, you push it up. This little, hold on, this little button right here, close it, open it. But it's probably gonna be open messing with me because I'm not responsible and I really don't care for all that, so but it's a good little safety thing if you need it. So I just plugged it up. Let me cut it on. Excuse me, what? Hold on, because why is that cutting on? It is not cutting on. Hold on, let me read the instructions, make sure I ain't tripping. Y'all, I am special, okay? I am special, and I didn't even have to read it. I just held it. Okay, so I guess I just cut it off so I can cut it back on up here. So you hold it down until it cut on. Oh, ain't it so cute? Look at that. Okay, this is somewhat focusing. So I guess it's going to the highest one, but I put it on 450, so I guess I'm gonna just let it sit until it heats up. But it's, oh god damn, hold on, it's already heated. Oh my goodness. Oh my gosh, that mess is hot, y'all. Hold up now. As soon as you cut it on, just start doing it, because oh my goodness, that mess is hot. I'm just gonna flat iron this and see how it goes. Let me see, I'm gonna have to take a little part. That mess is hot. That thing hot. All right, so it has stopped. So it's at 450, y'all. This mess is hot.
Boy, you're shaking like a stripper. Tighten up. I'm so disappointed in you this evening.
Kayla, why would I do that? I hate when I do that. But you see how straight it is? Ooh. I'm about to do it again. I started skipping at the bottom. You know when you hold it and not run it all the way through, it start having those little parts to it. Don't mind the back, but okay. Okay. It's doing this little thing, okay? It's straight. Oh yeah. Let me flat iron the rest. Y'all, I'm not trying to do too much. I'm just flat ironing this hair because it's already straight. But it got like some bumps in it. And I'm like, you see that? Yeah, we're gonna fix that.
Get your hair done this week, because you starting to look like the bitches we be talking about.
Okay. That mess is straight. All right, I'm about to do the rest because I say this is not gonna be a long video, so I don't have time to be talking to the camera. Y'all already see it, and it's doing its thing. So I'm about to come back after I flat iron it and then show y'all the end results. Well, yeah, I can see this side and this side. Let me get up. Ooh, yes, it's straight. I'm about to do the other side.
Ooh, prepare to be sick of me. Prepare right now to be sick of me.
And I know y'all see that in the back. I don't be like clipping it to the back of my head because I don't be having wigs on that long, so it is what it is. Okay, you see it? You know it's a wig. We know. Okay. Yes, dang, I'm scared it's gonna melt the wig. God, it's so straight though, y'all. Ooh. Ooh, 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 ooh. Why am I singing that? Na 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 na. Child, I am so nasty. But it all comes together, and that's what matters, the end results, not the progress, you know? I mean the process. I said the progress, girl, shut up. And look at that wig coming on up. I don't care. I ain't got nobody to be pulling and tugging on it so it can come off anyway. So it's fine. As long as the front is down, I really do not care. Alright, I'm about to just do this in 2 pieces because I'm lazy. But I'm about to put some mousse at the top because, and this, y'all don't get this mousse. It be pissing me off. Like, why is it, how is it broke? Don't even make sense. Ooh. That don't, now I'm gonna have to buy a whole nother one because that one is freaking broke. Anyway, put the mousse right here because I'm putting that in the back anyway, towards the back.
If you don't like me, your baby daddy do. I swear he do.
So as y'all can see, the hair is straight, child. The hair is straight. The hair is laid. I like this. I can run my hands through it now because earlier I don't know what it was giving. But yeah, I just wanted to show y'all my new flat iron. And if you want it, I'll link it at the bottom. It's called the Faszin Phase Ease. I don't know what it is for real. Maybe I don't know how to pronounce half shit. Dang, I keep touching it. I'm keep touching it. But anyway, this was my video. Hope y'all like it. If you want to get it, I'll link it at the bottom. This is as good as it's gonna get because I done had this wig on for a while and watched it probably twice now. I don't know. So this is the flat iron. Oh my gosh, I almost burnt my whole hand off. Okay, y'all. Love y'all. See y'all later, or until the next video. I don't know, probably sometime next week or this week. I don't know. Thank y'all for watching my video. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe because I'm back. Tell your mom, tell your friends, tell your grandma. Your grandma might like me. I love grandmas. Love grandma. Anyway, bye y'all.
I seen a bitch say she got a donkey booty. And I was just thinking, like, you have the donkey's face as well.
Time, you know.